Hello everyone, today let's talk about NOK ISUZU. This ISUZU made of rubber, there is metal, and this color is red-brown. There is copy. It has with a spring, look there. There is a spring. This size is internal diameter is 80. External diameter is 143. To think there is 10 and there is 37. You can through the size to find this ISUZU. The ISUZU have many following features. The first one is organized at low temperature, with longer service life and more wear resistance. Good abrasion resistance, good structure, aging resistance, and oil leakage prevention, mud-proof water, thickened spring. There, look there, there is spring, thickened spring and thickened skeleton. We also can provide customers the service. We can customize this material and size and type. If you are interested in this product, just send us our inquiries. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.